do this thing. 10 to 100 Forex trading, smart money concept. So that's going to be what I'm going to go ahead and trade a $10 account up to $100. Is it possible? Of course. However, it does take a lot of patience, a lot of discipline. Now, I'm going to go ahead and walk you guys through a couple setups that I'm going to be looking for specifically for this week, so that way we can go ahead and do that. But before we do that, let's go ahead and fund the account and get to it. All right, let's get this started. So first things first is I got to go ahead and fund my account. Now, typically I would do LQDFX. However, I do have a little small amount of funds on Osprey, so I want to go ahead and just grow that out and see what happens. So first things first is I need to go ahead and create an account for this specific $10 to $100 challenge. Go ahead and create the account, go over to create account, go over to select account. It's going to be ECN account. And once I do an ECN account, it's going to be a US dollar currency, and the leverage, I don't recommend you guys doing this 1 to 500. I recommend you guys doing 1 to 100. I'm going to do 1 to 500 so that way I can leverage it and see if we can go ahead and flip this account as soon as possible. So we'll go ahead and create the account. Now that the account has been created, which is going to be right here in this section, I'm going to go ahead and transfer over the funds over into the account. So to do that, I need to go over to transfer. I'm going to do a transfer from my wallet to my MetaTrader. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the amount right here, transfer from the $50 that there are right now at the moment. And I'm only going to go ahead and transfer this over to the ECN account that I just went ahead and made. Now, once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and do the $10. So that way there is going to be a $10 transfer to that account. So now you guys can see the money has been taken out from the account and is now in the Forex account. You guys can see right here above as I am showing you guys my MT4 that I am now logged in. The $10 are in there and we're good to start trading. Now today is Sunday, so let's go ahead and do a Sunday markup real quick and see what we can find for this upcoming week. As we can see, we have been looking at EURUSD for quite a while. Now this is a pair that I like to personally trade 90% of the time, especially during Q1. Now when we go ahead and look at EURUSD, we can see how market had a huge expansion towards the upside, moving out of this nice zone of consolidation. Now, this is something very important for me to take in consideration because we did have that huge expansion and I am expecting for market to retrace. Now, one question that many of us may be asking is, are we expecting for market to retrace right here and then continue going to the upside? Me personally, no. I'm personally seeing market going a little bit lower, taking out all this liquidity that it has left behind. So what I will be looking forward to is going to be for some potential retracements into these areas of imbalance for potential continuations targeting these liquidity zones. Now, can we see market continue on moving up? Of course, but till this very moment, as you guys know, I am a day trader, so I will be trading day by day, and I'm not going to be expecting the overall moves that are going to happen in 2 to 3 weeks from now. I really want to focus on what's going to happen today, tomorrow, and so on. Today is Sunday, market just opened. So as we can go ahead and see on the 15-minute time frame, market has still maintained that bearish scenario to the downside. I would like to see some nice retracements up into 1.14500 for it to continue going down. But at this very moment, we are not in a New York session and we are not in a London session. So I'm particularly not going to do anything at this very moment. Things that I am expecting for market to do is going to be fulfill this zone of imbalance. That is something that I will expect for market to do before doing any great move. So at this very moment, I'm not looking to trade, but however, I will keep you guys updated with the account for this upcoming week. I'll keep you guys updated on Friday, see how this week went, and go from there. Let me know what you'd like to see next on the comments down below, and looking forward to see this growth alongside with you guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.